Best OBS Studio recording settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the best OBS Studio recording settings. So first, open the OBS Studio and simply click on the settings. And once you are in the settings, simply click on the video. And here, you just need to apply this configuration. For 1080p, you can simply do this, and this for 1440p, and with this at last these are for 4K. Now next, open the output settings and switch the mode to advanced, and under the recording tab set the format to MP4, and with that simply scroll down and adjust the settings accordingly. Use this for 1080p, and with that these are for 1440p, and these are also for 4K as well. And that's it. This is some of the best OBS Studio recording settings. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.